We're about to go do some fishing. Ain't right, Saran? We're gonna catch fish today, right? Before we go fishing, we gotta get ourselves a Sapporo in the system, man. That's how we get ready to go fishing. See you in a little bit when we catch some fish.
Now, before we left to go fishing, Saran just wanted to watch a little bit more fishing shows just to get him a little bit extra motivated. That's what he likes to do.
And we're off to the fishing spot. Wish us luck, because we don't need it, because Saran sucks at fishing. Oh yeah, ain't nothing but slow jams in this ride. Yeah.
And after a short little drive, we reached McAlpine Creek Park. And it was a lovely day to go do some fishing, even though it was overcast.
It looks like it's gonna be an incredible day of fishing. The weather is great, the balls is great, feel great, fish great. This is an incredible place to come hang out on a Saturday evening. We got people fishing, people coming here hiking, riding their bicycles, just hanging out with the family, doing things. We got one man out here with a remote control boat, playing with that thing. You know, it's a great place. Here we are. D has picked out a location for us that he guarantees us catching something.
Guaranteed.
Don't know what that something is, but
Guaranteed.
it may be a fish, it may be a cold. We don't know yet. Oh yeah, we're off. According to D, if we don't catch a fish in 10 minutes, it's not a good day.
And as far as bait goes, I decided to go with the all-natural earthworms. And now we wait for the fish to bite.
No luck in the first place, no luck in the second place. We've moved around to a couple different locations, but I don't know. Today might not be the day. It might not be today. But I still got my fingers crossed. Yeah, it was a great day of fishing, even though we didn't catch anything. The biggest thing is we got out the house and we attempted to catch something. But just because we didn't catch a fish don't mean we ain't gonna eat fish. So we're gonna try to find something tasty that has fish tails and fish gills and fish eyeballs and some kind of fish. So,
Let's do it.
all right, we're gonna find something to eat now.
And after a little while, we decided to eat Korean food. We didn't eat any fish though, but it was delicious.
like blues 파란 눈물에 파란 슬픔에 깃들여 like blues 뜬 구름에 날려보낸 사랑 같은 하늘 다른 곳 너와 나 위험하니까 너에게서 떠나주는 거야 내밀한 글자에 저만 나 비겁하지만 내가 못 나서는 거야 잔인한 이별은 사랑의 말로 그 어떤 말도 위로될 순 없다고
All right. We didn't catch no fish today. We're back home, but it's all good though. Cause you know why it's all good? We got to eat some Korean food after that, and I got some soju, so it's going down anyway, man. Peace.